different kinds of cakes that are still on my list. But you know, कितने भी नए तरह के केक मार्केट में क्यों ना आ जाएं, there is one basic recipe that's always required by all of us. I am talking about a basic vanilla cake. I've taken all-purpose flour or maida here. To this, I'm going to add baking powder. I'm going to give it a quick mix with a spoon. This baking powder has already been sifted. You have to ensure that there are no lumps. Keeping this aside, I'll move to the wet ingredients. All good things start with butter. In a bowl, I'm taking butter. This butter is at room temperature. To this, I'm going to add breakfast sugar. And I'm going to whisk it. So if you don't have breakfast sugar, which is also called as caster sugar, आप रेगुलर चीनी का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. आप उसे पीस के इस बैटर में ऐड कर सकते हैं. हमें इसे तब तक बीट करना है जब तक ये लाइट और फ्लफी सा ना हो जाए. All right, so it's been around 3 to 4 minutes and you can see the sugar has combined very nicely with the butter. To this, I'm going to add vanilla extract and whisk it away. For further sweetness and a rich texture, I'm going to add condensed milk. Ensure that the condensed milk is well combined. All right, it's all very well mixed. So when we add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, एक चीज़ जो हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखनी चाहिए, कभी भी सारा का सारा dry stuff wet ingredients में नहीं डाल देना चाहिए. We have to put a little at a time and then I'm going to fold it slightly and with a very gentle hand. Cake will come out as soft and tender, as gentle as you are to it. We repeat this. So we have to mix but not over mix the batter. That will only make our cake, sit down. It will not rise. So when the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients are just about mixed, I did not over mix them. I'm going to pour some soda in this batter. So our batter is almost ready. Again, ensuring not over mixing it. As a child, I always thought making cakes was about, mixing and mixing and mixing batters. Now I know better things. So you have to mix things till they are just about combined. It's ready. The oven is preheated and I've already lined this cake tin with parchment. I'm going to apply some butter on the sides. The final step, I'm going to pour this batter in our pan. Tap it once, twice and thrice. Now I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it for around 25 to 30 minutes. My eggless vanilla cake is ready. It took around 30 minutes in the oven. फिर मैंने इसे पूरी तरह से ठंडा होने दिया और फिर अनमोल्ड किया. Now I'm going to frost it with some whipped cream. Never be scared to frost a cake. I used to be scared because I wasn't neat enough. All right. So the frosting is done. It looks messy, but I'm sure it's delicious. Last, sprinkles. No matter what age you are, sprinkles always make you happy. All right. So my eggless vanilla cake is ready.